Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the screen resolution on this device. For this, simply go to settings and tap on the option display. Then here you can see the option screen resolution. Tap on this one. So here you can see three options: HD plus, full HD plus, QHD plus. So from here you can select your preferred resolution and tap on apply. Okay, now I selected FHD plus, that is this one. Higher resolution provides sharper images and text. Lower resolution can help extend battery life on supported Samsung devices. Okay, so if you select QHD plus and after this one tap on apply. And also if you select the HD plus, tap on apply. Simply in this way we can change the screen resolution on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.